Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revati Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. I shall solve today exercise 4C to find cube root of given number. My dear students, now write two important questions on this board. Question number 7, cube root of 8000, and question number 10, cube root of minus 512. So I am going to solve question number 7. Question number 7, cube root of 8000. Only one method to find cube root is by prime factorization method. So first of all, we have to find prime factors of 8000. So prime factors of 8000 here, 8000. Find prime factors 2 times 4000, again 2 times 2000, now again 2 times 1000, again 2 times 500, now 2 times 250, again 2 times 125, now 5 times 25, now 5 times 5 25. So my dear students, write it, cube root of 8000, write prime factors of 8000, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2 pair of 2 triplets of 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Make a triplet, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2. Now 5 into 5 into 5. Understand it? So make a triplet 5 also. Now cube root of 2 into 2 into 2. Write it, 2 cube. Again 2 into 2 into 2. Also write it, 2 cube. Now 5 into 5 into 5. What is this? 5 cube. So cube root of 2 cube equal to 2, and 2 cube of cube root of 2 cube 2, cube root of 5 cube 5, because we know that cube root of this type, cube root of a cube, cube root of a cube equal to a, cube root of a cube equal to a. Similarly, cube root of 2 cube equal to 2, cube root of 2 cube equal to 2, cube root of 5 cube equal to 5, equal to 2 to the 5, 5 for the 20 answer. Now write it, and next problem is 10. Question number 10. Question number 10 is cube root of minus 512. We know that cube of a negative natural number is, or cube of negative number is negative, and cube root of negative number is also negative. So cube root of 5 minus 512 minus cube root of 512. Now write prime factors. Find prime factors of 512. So 512. 2 times 2 2 is 4 and 2 5 is 10 and 2 6 is 12. Again 2 times 2 1 is 2 and 2 2 is 4 and 2 8 is 16. Now 2 times 2 6 is 12 and 2 4 is 8. Again 2 times 32 2 is 64. Now 2 times 16 2 is 32. Again 2 times 8 2 is. Now 2 times 4 2 is. Again 2 times 2 2 is 4. So how many 2 factors of 512? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So write it. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2. Now 2 into 2 into 2. Make a triplet. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2. Again 2 into 2 into 2. So write it. Minus, cube root. Cube root of 2q into 2q into 2q. With the help of these rules, cube root of aq equal to a. So cube root of 2q 2. Cube root of 2q 2 and cube root of 2q is multiply 2. So 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 is 4 and 4 2 is 8. And minus 8. Answer of this question. Write it. My dear students, again to question, write on this board. Find cube root of minus 1331 and question number 16. Find cube root of under root 64 into 729. So first of all, I solve question number 11 equal to cube root of minus 1331. So cube root of negative number is negative. So cube root of 1331. So find its prime factor. 1331. 3 plus 1 4. 3 plus 1 4. So it is divisible by 11. 11 times 1. 11 1 is 11. 11 2 is and 11 1. So 121 divided by 11 minus cube root of 1331. Its prime factors is 11 into 11 into 11. Now it is changed into cube root of 11 cube. So cube root of 11 cube equal to 11 minus 11. Answer. Write it. Now next question solve. Question number 16 is cube root of 64 and 729. So 64 means 4 into 4 into 4. 4 for the 16. 16 for the 64. And 729 means 9 into 9 into 9. 9 9 is 81. 81 9 is 729. So cube root of 4 into 4 into 4, make a triplet. So 4 into 4 into 4, 4 cube. Into 9 into 9 into 9, 9 cube. Equal to cube root of 4 cube equal to 4. And cube root of 9 cube equal to 9. So 4 9s are 36 answer. Now I am continuing exercise 4C. One question, write on this board. Question number 17. Cube root of 729 by 1000. So by prime factorization method, write prime factor of 729 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Just find prime factors of 729. 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3. Now we have to find the prime factors of 1000. So here write 1000. Prime factors of 1000. 2 times 500. Okay. Now 2 times 250. Again 2 times 125. Now 5 times 25. Again 5 times 5 5 is 25. So my dear students, write here 2 into 2 into 2. Factors of 1000. 2 into 2 into 2. Now 3 factors are again 5 into 5 into 5. Now make a triplet. 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3, 2 into 2 into 2, and 5 into 5 into 5. Write it. Cube root of 3 cube into 3 cube. Now 2 cube into 5 cube equal to cube root of 3 cube equal to 3. Cube root of 3 cube into 3 and cube root of 2 cube is 2 and cube root of 5 cube is 5. So 3 3s are 9 and 2 5s are 10. 9 by 10 answer of this question. Right. My dear students, I am continuing exercise 4C for class 8. I write one important question on this board. Question number 16. Find cube root of. Question number 18. Find cube root of minus 512 y 343. So it's changed into cube root of negative number is negative. So minus cube root of 512 by 343. Now write cube root of 512. Just find 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2. Now 2 into 2. 3. 2 triplets into 2 into 2. Divided by prime factors of 343 is 7 into 7 into 7. So make a triplet, 7 into 7, 1 triplet, and 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, and 2 into 2 into 2. Here make a triplet. Now cube root of 2q into 2q into 2q. Now 7q equal to minus cube root of 2q. Cube root of 2q equal to 2 and cube root of 2q equal to 2 and cube root of 2q equal to 2. So multiply it and cube root of 7q. 7. So minus 8 by 7 answer. My dear students, write it and today your homework is complete. Complete exercise 4C. Thank you. That's all.